What? No man, hug me up man. Give some peace. Wanna get biggie? No, look at that grow. Jamaican people that we don't see you for a long time. Or when them are big sitting. I don't know me I'm gonna do it. I am here to give you something. Especially for the yardies in foreign. Now there's this app called Cash for Apps. It is a fast, listen to me, fast, you see and word fast, free way to get gift cards. No, the thing allow me to tell. Watch out. When you use my link in the description, it will take you straight to the Cash for Apps page regardless of which phone you use. So Android or iOS. You download the app, right? After you download the app, you open the app. It will ask you for your email and your password. You put in any email address and password you feel like, and it will take you right inside the app. Make sure you turn on the notifications so you know when your points come in. When you do that, you will see a list of apps that you can choose from and download and use. Any one of them you feel like you want to download and use, just download and use it for about 30 seconds to a minute. After you download the app and you use it, you will get a notification. So wait for it. Boom. So the notification come in, tell us you just get 60 points. And you just keep doing this over and over, building up your points till you get as much points as possible, and you can redeem those points for iTunes code, Amazon gift cards, Best Buy gift cards, PlayStation Network gift cards, eBay. Just see the list of gift cards here you can redeem. And it is that simple, and you can just do it over and over and over and over. And after you don't get your points, you can delete the app that you just downloaded. So in this case, the person downloaded Solitaire, them can delete Solitaire as them get them points. Fast free gift cards. And all you have to do is use this link, the one above my head, and I'm gonna put it in the description. So like I want to mash up the like button when I ask you if you mash up the like button, use my link in the description and go over there and download out of the app here and make sure you use it and get on a free points and get on a gift card. Just download the app using my link there in the description. A video time. Everywhere we going. What go and flick it to vlog? How's everybody doing? Hey, everybody good, everybody alright. You know, so I'm just take up the vlog camera today, so I'm gonna just vlog. I'm not gonna do nothing interesting. I don't have nowhere to go really. I'm just doing this because somebody linked me by Instagram and say they want more vlogs. So I'm say, alright. It's been a while for real, but like I say, you know, if me not really have nothing to do, the day them I could just seem like blah. I'll give you one of them blah day today. Cause I not do nothing. I probably play some game, relax, scroll Instagram, check my laptop for important messages, and just I'm just doing this for you, you know, cause I know someone will want to see vlog them. Will want to see. I don't know why I'm in a vlog more often, or maybe I do know. I think one of the reasons is because the camera we may have. The camera kinda, it does not create the environment to vlog. Because it's chunky and then again, I can't ever see when I point the camera the right way because I'm not one of the mirrorless camera there. I mean, if somebody out there want to get me a nice camera, we can do that. Here's what I have in mind. So if you want to, imagine if each one of my subscribers them could give you like $1. But then again, me I want to full up a pride and I mean, like ask people for things, you know, even if me know say you will give me not like it. Maybe one day I could put that pride there aside and say, to all my subscribers out there, if you'd like to donate $1, that's $1 US. Here's my PayPal, and this will be going towards buying myself a new camera. I feel like whenever I get a new camera, I'm going to give away this one. So whenever I get a better camera, I need to get 2 cameras. One for vlog and another one for making the comedy videos and them thing there. Those are 2 goals for this year. You know? Personal goals. Get 2 better cameras. I don't know, I start daydreaming about the 2 cameras them a while. But whenever I get those 2 cameras, wanna stay tuned because me I give away the one we have now. And this one is not in a bad condition. I think it is a very good camera for somebody who is starting out. The only fault I have with the camera is it does not have a microphone jack plug thing. You know, have one of them there, and it does not have the mirrorless feature where you can flip out the screen. But for somebody who's just starting, this is an excellent camera. So I give it to one of my subscribers there. You know, when you get the blessing, you have to just give it back. Not true, that's how the thing goes. You know, and then the circle of life continue. You give it to get it, you give it to get it, you give it to get it. That's how it works. So whenever I get those 2 cameras, I am giving away this one to a lucky subscriber that wants to do YouTube, but them have the right camera at the moment. If you want to see something in my mouth while I'm not talking, a grizzle. Anybody that stay like that will love chew up the chicken grizzle like after you're done, you just kind of have something in your mouth, your munch pan. So if you see nothing in my mouth, a grizzle in my mouth. But I was just gonna say, honestly, when I would have donated, me ask you if you donate. Because I know sometimes someone don't really want to buy, you know. I couldn't want to buy no merchandise or none of that. But you know, when I feel like, you know what I would say, Kevin, hold at $1. I think I could just start put my PayPal link in the description. And if you feel like you want to donate, you can do that. Not even a pressure, you know. If you feel like you want to do it, you can do that. But whatever you donate, I'm going to make it go towards buying those 2 cameras so that I can give away this one. Anyways, I think I chat enough for that one like a segment here, so let me check back with you now for chat some more. What me just do? Me just make a video for what I said in the name again? My Insta story. So that's how we just do it, yeah? Nothing else. Like I tell you, say me not really do much, but me just there, so I'm kicking it with you guys. I'm kicking it with you. You the fam, you know? You the fam. You the fam. You the fam, bro. Oh, you subscribe yet? Eh? You don't subscribe? So why you wait, pan? Yeah. So if you don't see this, you know, I edit the vlog where you don't watch right. So when you don't see this, the vlog where you don't watch right now, I hit me and edit. Crazy, huh? Oh my God! Rapapapapow. Hey, me got bars, no prison. Me just sound like prison. Hold up, listen. I shine, glisten. Woo! It's me. I am rapping. I pull up on you. I'm not trapping. You gonna ask me, Kevin, what happened? I say I'm so gangster. Oh! Whoa! Making a quick run on the road to get some food. And sneeze. Hold tight the girl them as well. Alright, thanks. Yo, this Ross window is a stress. This side is a bitch. This side is a bitch. I got a piece of yam, yeah? Alright, thanks. Yo, blood. Making triple. Fried chicken, leg and meat. Thank you. Mission accomplished. Hey. Quick and fast, like I say. Wagwan. I check back in, you know, what I do, there's a try render video for upload on the Kevin Too Crazy Extra. That basically I try there, you know. Sometimes they can sit and stress. If you don't notice, I don't on my laptop because the laptop is render quicker than my laptop. I try to get it done so you can see it tonight. Hopefully you want to see the vlog here. No, I'm not going to see the vlog here the day after. I don't want to drop the vlog here in the evening, but I'm not going to see the vlog here the day after. I have render this first, then render the vlog. So while this is render now, I go edit the vlog so you can get to see it. Alright? Look up on yourself, glad someone still a watch. Oh, and the link I do want to see before that video here, make sure someone go download the app using my link. I put it in the description too. Alright? Cool? Look up on yourselves in. Until the next vlog.